Hey everyone, thanks for checking out my presentation on how to use the G Suite for administrative purposes. I chose to do this topic because I'm currently a high school teacher and might consider becoming an administrator at some point. As you navigate to the next slide, you'll come up to a video that actually explains to you what the G Suite is and how it's used in businesses to be collaborative, efficient, and more productive. In this slide, you're going to break down of what the G Suite is and all its apps it has to offer and how it could benefit administrators or teachers. These are the three topics that I chose to focus my research on how it affected and helped out the collaboration, the productivity, and the organization, the teaching and the learnings, all while using G Suite. There's a bunch of words that are associated with the word collaboration and gives a definition and meaning to the word collaboration. In this slide, there is a bunch of words that are associated with productivity and organization and the definition of organization. In this slide, there's a bunch of words associated with teaching and learning and the definition and the meanings of what teaching and of what learning are. In this slide, you'll learn about how Google Docs, Google Slides, and Google Forms all help administrators be able to collaborate by being able to share with each other and work on files live and have one living file instead of having 3 different files and everyone having to stay up to date with each other when they're changing things. This slide, you'll learn how administrators use Google Classroom to collaborate with one another or their team members. And in this site, you'll see how administrators can collaborate using Google Slides to manage all their important dates and events, forms, and things they want to communicate to their community that they're involved in, or the teachers, or the students, or the parents in the district. In this slide, you'll understand why you would use Google Classroom and Google Slides. Not that they both can't do the same thing, but they both serve different purposes. In this slide, you'll see how G Suite can help productivity and organization by using Google Drive, Google Forms, Google Classroom, and Google Sites. In this slide, we'll talk about administrative organization and productivity with Google Drive, administration, organization, and productivity with Google Forms, administration and organization productivity with Google Classroom, how you can distribute paperwork to your employers or your team members digitally, how you can collect survey information from them and use that data to help make your team more productive. There are some examples of Google Classroom and how it could help. How Google Sites can help administration be organized by keeping their information easily updatable, and being that they can collaborate and share each other on the website and multiple people can manage it together, it makes all for a more productive environment. In this slide, I'll be showing you how I break down administrative teaching and learning with the G Suite by being able to make great presentations with Google Slides, being able to create question forms to assess learning information with Google Forms, and to be able to create a cultural learning community by using Google Classrooms. Some of the benefits of using Google Slides for teaching and learning would be that you can embed videos, photos, audio links, and website links, which creates for a more visual learning aspect for the learner, and it helps assist people in learning exactly what you mean. Google Forms is great for teaching and learning because you can survey the people that you're working with or the people that you're teaching and find out what information they learned and what they didn't learn, and it's quick and easy and you can assess them from any digital location. Google Classroom is a digital and virtual classroom where people can learn from anywhere as long as they have an internet connection. This is great for the business and administrative teams because sometimes people need to go on conferences or they need to be out of the building or out of the workplace, but they can still communicate, get the information, and still get the learning all done at the same point. So it helps and allows people to be more flexible with each other.